Hello and welcome to Maredith Management's tutorial on how to access online meetings. Many of our board clients have been making the switch to online meetings to provide a convenient method for homeowners to access board meetings and to promote higher attendance for these meetings. Boards understand that in today's day and age, people are busier than ever. You have to drive your kids to basketball practice, you have to make dinner, you have to stop by the store to grab something, so on and so forth. I mean, let's face it, it can be really tough to try to find the time to come out and attend these in-person board meetings, even if you are highly interested in what's going on in your association. Add an inclement weather event, and then there's no chance. That's why our boards are starting to push online meetings, so you as a homeowner don't have to be inconvenienced if you would like to attend one of their meetings. All you have to do is simply dial in or log in, and you are able to listen in on the actions of the board of directors. And the best part of all is the process to access the online meeting is incredibly simple. There are two ways you are able to access the meeting. You can either dial in or you can log in. If you would like to dial into the meeting, simply enter the telephone number associated with the meeting and you're done. You are in the meeting and you will be able to listen in on the actions of your board of directors. You are also able to log into the meeting. To do this, simply click on the link right here. Enter your name. So Abraham Lincoln wants to join this call. And then click join. You're also able to enter optional information, like you can drag a photo here or your email address here, but that's not required. All you have to do is enter your name and then hit join. And then you're in the meeting. And once you join the online meeting, you can either choose if you want to listen in with your phone or if you want to use your computer to listen and speak during the meeting. Either way, once you have entered the meeting, so we'll go ahead and actually click on my phone just for this example, because if I clicked on the computer option, you would get a lot of hold music noise since the meeting's not actually live right now. So that's why I went ahead and clicked phone. But once you do this, once you enter the meeting, go ahead and introduce yourself to everyone that's on the phone. And the meeting facilitator will go ahead and greet you, and then they'll mute your line to ensure no background noise is picked up while the board is discussing the association's business. Of course, you'll be able to hear the board's conversation, but won't be able to ask any questions until the homeowners forum portion of the meeting, when the meeting facilitator will unmute your line. And if you access the meeting online, you will also have access to meeting collateral associated with the meeting by clicking on the PDF links at the bottom of the screen. So let's click this one, for example. So as you can see, it's loading. We have the Paradise Valley Homeowners Association Inc.'s Board of Directors meeting. So you can follow along with the board while they're going down this agenda, and you can see exactly where they are. And see, during this homeowners forum portion of the meeting, your line will go ahead and be unmuted, and you can ask any questions you have of your board of directors. So that's all for me. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and we hope you will be able to attend your board's next online meeting to catch up on what's going on in your association. Remember, an informed homeowner is a powerful homeowner. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for tuning in.